So you've got yourself a GoPro Hero 11 Black and you need to remove the lens. Maybe you broke it, you need to replace it, or you want to put on a mod lens. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to remove and replace the lens on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's really simple to do, so let's dive into it. So removing the lens on the GoPro Hero 11 Black, again, is really quite simple to do. Maybe you broke your lens or you're putting on the lens mod. You can see there's a little line or crack there between the lens and the main camera. We're gonna take the lens and we are gonna rotate it. So we're gonna grab it like this. You might need to give it a little wiggle because it does require more force the first time you do it. And we're gonna take it, and rotate it. You can see you're rotating it just like that. And once you get it to 90 degrees, the lens should come off just like that. So you've got your lens that comes off. You can see there's two little bars on the lens, and those actually go under these lips here on the camera. So that's why you have to rotate it 90 degrees. To put it back on, again, seat it in place so those bars are not over the lips. Push it down, give it a little wiggle so the seal goes into place, and then rotate it 90 degrees just like that, and the lens will go back on. Again, to take it off, give it a little wiggle. It does require some force there, and it should come off like that. It's really quite simple to do, and that is how you remove the lens and replace it on your GoPro Hero 11 Black. So I hope this GoPro tutorial was able to help you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.